Alright, on this episode of Hydescience, we're going to be balancing chemical equations. Here we have hydrochloric acid plus aluminum yields hydrogen gas and aluminum chloride. So to balance these, according to the law of conservation of mass, we need equal amounts of atoms on both sides in our reactants and our products. So over here we have our reactants. They react together to form our products. So something I like to do is make a little list of what I have on both sides. I have hydrogen, chlorine, and aluminum. I have the same list over here. All right, then just kind of make a little tally of how many there are. So I have one hydrogen, one chlorine, one aluminum. Here I have two hydrogens, one aluminum, and three chlorines. So now I need to make there be equal amounts. You cannot change this. All right, this hydrochloric acid. I cannot just add one H. I cannot just add one HCl. I must add the entire compound as it exists. So I can add more hydrochloric acid. I can add more aluminum. I can add more hydrogen gas, or I can add more aluminum chloride. I cannot add anything that is already not in the equation. All right, so my hydrogens do not balance. All right, so I tend to save those for last if I have hydrogen or oxygen, especially if they're by themselves like this, kind of save that for last. So I'm going to jump down here and do chlorine, where I have 1 and 3. So to balance it, I'm going to add 2 hydrochloric acid. By doing that, that gives me 3 hydrogens, 3 chlorines. So now my chlorines match, my aluminums match. Now I'm going to try to make these hydrogens match. I have 2 hydrogens on this side and 3 on this side now. But like I said, I cannot just add one hydrogen to make them balance. I must add it as it exists in the equation. I must add an H2. That gives me 4 hydrogens over there. Well, to balance that back up, I come over here. All right. Now I have 4 hydrogens as well. But as a result, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 chlorines, which threw those numbers back off from matching. So now I need more chlorines in my product side. The only way to get more chlorines is to add another aluminum chloride. Right, so now I have 6 chlorines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 aluminums. Let's throw my numbers off again. So to get more chlorines to make them balance, I need to add 2 more hydrochloric acids. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chlorines. 5, 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens. Right. So to get the hydrogens to balance, I need more hydrogens over here. This becomes H2. So now that gives me 2, 4, 6. Those match, and then I need to come back, add an aluminum here. Now I have 2 aluminums, 6 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens, 6 chlorines, 6 chlorines. So now everything is balanced. Now I can write my answer. My answer to this problem, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrochloric acids, 2 aluminums, 3 hydrogen gas, and 2 aluminum chlorides. And this is my answer. That is the balanced form of this equation.